Who's that?
It's me.
It's Garrett. And guess what we have here?
8 a.m. It's an Otis Gen 2.
There used to be a Schindler.
Schindler.
Hydro.
Hydro. 8-story hydro.
Which I thought was a stupid idea. Now I gotta wait for this thing. The day they, filming for like an hour or two now.
Yep.
Hey, look, it's security. Hi. That's a big, gigantic security camera.
That is.
Going
Out.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Oops, sorry about that.
That's okay. Don't like the floor. Let's go up to 6. What's up with the weird floor in the morning?
I have no idea. It shakes. It wasn't like this Wednesday. I rode this thing twice this week and it was not like this. Something's wrong.
6th floor. Going down.
Now there's newer Series 2. Or Series 7 as you call it.
Floor.
Oh gosh.
Come on down.
Going down.
Going down. What's up with the floor?
I have no idea, Jay.
But it's a very nice elevator. That's what you see lobby.
Lobby. Going up.
Yeah, this is a good, complete replacement of the old elevator here. But, guess that's gonna be it.